Thank you for being here. I am an educator, so I can't help but bring something to your attention, Senator. Come, all you lads who know no fear, embark in our Haider Ali. These were the words when Haider Ali, the ship, was launched after the War of Independence to celebrate Haider Ali and Tipu Sultan. Senator, our blood is in the foundation of the United States of America. Haider Ali, when he was fighting the British colonial rule from 1780 to 1799, and even actually 1760 onwards, so British could not really succeed in America. They had to make a choice. And this is how they were recognized. And his son, Tipu Sultan, who gave his life and died in 1799. It was only after that 1812 happened, when the White House was burned. It is us who has given our blood for the foundation of this country. We have every right to claim America as anyone else. And we claim America now. We don't need to make it great again. It's already great because we founded it with our blood and our sacrifice. And Senator, with all the accomplishments that you have made in your career and what you have done for the community, we are grateful. But there's so much to do, and we are with you every step of the way. And you will find us just as Haider Ali and Tipu Sultan were helping George Washington and Thomas Jefferson. We are here with you, and this is the foundation of Pakistan. This is who Pakistanis are. They never abandoned their friends. Thank you.